What's up, it's Mr. G, and this video I'm going to show you how to put your chess pieces on the chessboard. So, I've copy pasted all of the chess pieces onto this file here. What I want to talk about first though is sometimes, so we made this chess board kind of large. Whenever you copy paste your objects in, they might be pretty small. Like they might be even that small. I doubt they'll be bigger. They'll probably be small. So when you copy paste, if it looks like that, I'll show you a way to just kind of scale it up. I would maybe move the piece just close to the board so you can see the size of it, and then just use the scale tool, click a base point, and just move your mouse a bit until it looks like it's about the right size. We made these boxes 85. So here's another way you could do it. If you look at the bottom of your piece, you could do scale, specify a base point. You could choose like the center, and then you could do reference right here. And then you could click like one side of your piece to the other side, and then you can type in a number, something smaller than 85. So maybe something like 75. So what that does is it makes the bottom length or diameter 75. So that's a way to get it like pretty accurate. So again, that's look at the bottom of your piece, SC enter, choose a base point, could be anywhere, and then click reference at the bottom, and then go from one quadrant to the other quadrant, and then type how far you want it to be, that diameter to be. So I'll do 75 there. Now some pieces probably don't need to be that big. Let's see what this looks like when I actually put it on the chessboard. So this bishop goes in this slot, I believe. So I'll draw a line, hover over that face, go from there to there. The move tool, pick it up from the bottom center, and then place it on there. That leaves you a little bit of space on the outside. Maybe go something smaller, maybe like 65 or something. Let's try 65. Scale, click, reference, maybe even 60. We'll go quadrant to quadrant, 60. Let's see what that looks like. That looks a lot better. So maybe go 60 on all the pieces that go in the back row, and then something smaller for the pawns. This pawn right here looks like it's about a decent size. Just kidding, that's too small. Maybe I'll just scale that one up visually, something like that. That looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm not going to go through scaling all these, but basically you just scale each one of your pieces and then draw lines by hovering on top of the face, and then you can kind of just go square by square because you want them to be centered. Looks like you have to draw a line separately every time. Mine's not easily transitioning from one to the next, so okay, and then you just move the pieces by hitting move. And then moving it like that. So what I would do is set up one whole row, or actually both of these rows for one team, and then just maybe mirror it to the other side. So let's say, imagine I have all these pieces here. You can use mirror and mirror it right across like that. So imagine I have all these pieces already set on one team, and then I mirror it to the other side. Then you can just, we're going to change the colors the same way we did when we made our board yesterday. going to select the pieces. So you'd select all of one of these teams right here. I'll just select these floating out here, for example. And then you'll go to View, Materials Browser, and then choose, you know, 2 different colors for the teams. So maybe if you want blue versus red or whatever, but I do want you to have different colors for the different sides. But do them all first on one team, mirror it to the other side, that way you don't have to place those, and then change the colors. Alright, that should be it.